Hi guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a cool lo-fi radio effect in Logic. You've probably heard this used in songs before. It's basically where you filter out each end of the frequency spectrum and then slowly bring everything back in. I'll be showing you this example on a basic drum loop just from Drummer, so this is what it sounds like. This effect can be used on pretty much anything you want, but I'll just be showing you this drum loop for the example. So first thing we're going to want to do is go over and open up our channel EQ. Now we're going to turn on the high pass and the low pass and make it a really steep cutoff. And now we're going to just play the track and find out where we want the cut to end up at, basically. Okay, so around 40 to 43 Hz would be a good spot to end up. Now for the high end, if we even cut any of that at all, so okay, so anywhere between 18k and 20 will be fine, but might just go all the way up to 20. So now what we're going to do is going to bring each of these up like this. Yeah, around there. So this is what it now sounds like. And the idea is that we're going to automate these so they end up at those points that we just looked at. And to do that in Logic, we can just go over here where it says read, click on this and change it to touch. And now when we hit play, we can click on these and drag them and it'll automate it in. So I'll just do both sides now. And now for the high end. Now because I let go, it reset it to the position it was first in, so we're just going to close this, go into the automation and just change them. And I want to change them anyway so that it's I just want to change them so it's a bit more steady. So we're going to select and delete all of this, get rid of this as well, probably that, and bring that down to about 41.5 works really nicely. Now we'll have a look at the high cut and do the exact same thing. Get rid of that one. Select and delete all of these. There we go, so now it sounds like this. So really I want it to be back to normal by the fourth bar, so it comes in really nicely for that fill. So I'm just going to move that along on both sides. Now see how it sounds. And it's really that simple, to be honest. You can play around with the starting positions and the ending positions, so I might want to make it a bit more extreme and kind of cut out everything to begin with and then bring all of it in. Now you can have it more extreme, less extreme, it's entirely up to you. It completely depends on what you're using it on and what works for your track. So as I said before, you can use this effect on pretty much anything. It's great for vocals, great for guitars and metal especially. Not so much bass, just because you're working with solely the low end and it can just be a bit boring and flat, to be honest. But it's really yours to play around with and be creative with. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.